I'll be able to go in a perfect home.
The old man is nice, Charlie. You know what, the other day when I got the key, I came in here and I prayed 3 times a day. Give the Almighty thanks for allowing me to have something like this.
Miss Chisholm is among several Jamaicans benefiting from the new social housing program NSHP that's dedicated to elevating the living conditions of the country's poor and disadvantaged population. It's a strategic program by the government to broaden opportunities for housing solutions and ownership among this group. As of January 31, 2025, the NSHP has completed approximately 300 housing units benefiting over 968 individuals across Jamaica.
Our target is 6,000 of these houses. We believe that if we were to build 6,000 social housing units in Jamaica, we could make a significant impact on the number of persons who are living in the worst substandard conditions.
The program falls under the Social Inclusion Governance Model, and implementation of the NSHP started in 2018 by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness. The program provides not just quality, affordable and sustainable housing, but overall improved living conditions.
What the government has done is to set the highest standards for social housing. And when you look at this house, you can see that it is well constructed. It will stand up to almost any storm. And we expect that to be the case because it's a fully concrete structure.
Yeah,
built to that.
Through the NSHP, the beneficiaries are enjoying the security of a safe, decent place within which to take shelter.
I'll be feeling much better, having a nice sleep and everything like that.
I'm feeling so, words fail to express my gratitude.
Oh.
I thank each and every single one that helps me that I can live freely in my home.
Where we're living, we can't even move in the room properly. We'll bounce up. If the light is gone, we have to stay put because we have no way. It's a small place. When the time gets cold, my son will get sick. If the rain falls, the rain will come in and it's just all over. He was sick like for months, can't go to school. Now my kids, they're all happy with my daughter going to postpone. It's CXC time. Trust me, she have a comfortable place to study, a well-needed house. Thank you so much.
Every Jamaican should have access to a good standard of shelter. They should have protection from the element. It should be a place of refuge and security, a place where they can live comfortably and raise their family.
Another benefit of the new social housing program is the pride that comes with fulfilling a lifelong, sometimes intergenerational goal.
This is going to break intergenerational poverty. This is an asset that your children can inherit.
Oh my goodness, gratitude is a must! Talk for me now!
I can't even explain myself right
You don't
right
need to,
now.
your smile does it all.
To all the persons who is a part of the new social housing program that made today possible, we want to say thank you very much. We really appreciate what you have done for our family. Thank you very much.
This is a very emotional moment, and I can see that your daughter is overcome, and indeed the entire family, and indeed everyone here who is participating in this ceremony.
We at the social housing, the new social housing program, we are very pleased to be able to make a transformational difference in your life, and that's what the program is about. Social housing is an important part of what we call the social safety net. It is the establishment of a standard below which no Jamaican citizen should live.
The program is funded by the Government of Jamaica and administered through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Applicants and beneficiaries are pulled from all 63 constituencies.
The applications, well, the recommendations coming to us from the various members of parliament. We do an assessment on the ground. We interview the prospective applicants, and the assessment include the engineer's report and also the social report, ensure that the beneficiary meets the criteria that has been set.
The report then goes to a multi-sectoral committee for review and approval. Those that are approved go on to the procurement process for bidding by contractors, then to the procurement committee for review after being shortlisted, then final approval for construction to begin.
We expect that by the end of this year, we would have surpassed the 300 unit mark.
Thank God. I feel many times better in life.
I overjoyed because I never know I would live in a concrete structure with a deck top over my head.
The government is convinced that if the country is to achieve its 2030 goal of developed nation status, it needs to cater to the interest of persons from all social classes, especially the vulnerable. The mission is ensuring that programs and policies are in place to protect the poor and the marginalized, and that all citizens have the opportunity to influence development and governance at the local and national level.
We go through any terrain, any weather, climb up any hill, make our way down into any valley to deliver the houses. We build houses all over Jamaica in all conditions. And it is all for the benefit of the people of Jamaica.